Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Chrome OS Flex and TINY11. Chrome OS Flex and TINY11 are both made to run on older or low-end computers, but they are very different in how they work and what they offer. Chrome OS Flex is a lightweight, web-based operating system from Google. It's designed to give new life to old PCs and Macs by focusing on speed, simplicity, and online tasks. You use web apps like Google Docs, Gmail, and YouTube through the Chrome browser. It's very secure, starts quickly, and is easy to use. But it doesn't support Android apps, Windows software, or offline programs. It's best if you're always connected to the internet and just need your computer for browsing, email, and cloud-based work. TINY11, on the other hand, is a stripped-down version of Windows 11 made by the community. It removes many of the default features to make Windows 11 run faster on older hardware. You still get the core Windows experience, meaning you can install and run most Windows apps, games, and tools. It looks and works like Windows, supports offline use, and gives you more flexibility. But since it's not an official Microsoft release, it may miss some security updates or features, and support can be limited. In short, Chrome OS Flex is better for safe, fast, and simple use, like web browsing, watching videos, and using Google services. TINY11 is better if you want to keep using Windows apps on an old machine, even if it's a bit less secure or official. If you only need basic online tasks, Chrome OS Flex is a great choice. If you need Windows programs and offline features, TINY11 is a better fit. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.